What's going on, snipers? Just want to break down this trade, one of my mini trades this morning. I don't normally trade stocks less than $1, but this morning I saw opportunity. I put in the group and I went forward for a quick scalp. This one at $100 or so. So here's the stock right here. The stock is BNGO. I saw it pre-market when it was hovering around 45, 44 cents. And I alerted in the group like, okay, the perfect pattern setting up here for a quick buy. So I waited it out until I saw it consolidating, which it was from, let me scan this. From this time frame here, which was 8:45, up until right before market open, it was consolidating. So I'm watching the consolidation as it's moving. I'm keeping an eye on the SMA. Now, this green line on mine is the SMA. So it's riding the SMA all the way till right before market opening. These are 5-minute candles. So 3 candles before the market open, it made this move past the SMA. The purple candle here is my VWAP. So my VWAP right there. VWAP was going crazy. And then the SMA was way below, and it was consolidating in the SMA. So I figured, okay, when the market opens, what's across the SMA, it's going to make a quick move. Because if you don't know this yet, usually when the market opens, if a stock is working its way, trending up before the market opens, it's going to make a power move right at the market open, then it's going to dump. This happened like 95% of the time. So looking at my chart here at 8:45, sorry, 9:10 even, right here you can see the freaking RSI was pretty much, let me go back here. The RSI here was pretty much consolidating. And if you look below here at the MACD, you see that the red bars down there starting to get smaller. And if you stock trading, you know about the MACD. As soon as that light red bar on the MACD start turning to a burgundy color, that's when you know it's trying to convert over to the positive side. As you notice, as the burgundy gets smaller and smaller, it's going towards the green, and then the chart reflects up here, as well as the RSI also reflects the same thing you see down here on the MACD. So my thought process was, okay, once they break the SMA, which is the green line right here, that's my chance to buy in when it crosses the SMA, which of course is the higher of the previous green candles. Remember, like Sean says all the time, like I say as well, that 3 candle setup is a monster. So what I did was, I waited for the 3rd candle, green. Let me go back and show you what I'm talking about. Green. And when it crosses the previous red candle, my buying point is right there. So I bought in right here above the previous red candle. See that red candle here? That's the buying point. 3 candle setup. When I bought in, I held for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I got out. Because I only wanted a quick scalp anyway. When I saw its fading resistance right here, it kept going to 44, 49, 44, 49. Meanwhile, down here on the freaking RSI, it dumped off. Meanwhile, down here in the MACD, it went from being a light green to a dark green, which meaning it's reversing. As you see now, it's turned light green again, which means the RSI is changing, which also means the candles are turning green again. So, if you look closely down here at this freaking MACD, it gives you a clearer sign of what's going on. The RSI, the second variance, then the third variance, of course, is going to be your chart. As you can see right here, it's going back up now. I could have held it, but I didn't want to because I needed a quick scalp in and out. I don't have time for this stock this morning. Now, this is the 5-minute chart, of course. Now, here's the thing, though. If you look back on the 15-minute chart, you will see a whole different ball game. So, the same time frame, you go back here to, 8:45 I said earlier? Let's go to 8:45. All right. On the 15-minute chart, at 8:45, it was that dark green, meaning it's reversing. The RSI was also dumping, and the candle was about to turn red. See the difference? Now, the 15-minute give you the big picture. The 5-minute give you the smaller picture. So what I do is I look at the 15-minute first to guesstimate the direction of the stock. right? Then I look at the 5 minute. Did I buy that? Didn't try to buy it. Oh, here it is. Then I look at the 5 minute to try to figure out where's the buying point. And you can see here, my buying point actually was 44 cents. I bought only 5,000 another time for 44 cent, right? 0.449, 44 cent basically, 45 cent, round it off. I bought only 5,000 shares because I saw reversal right here. Let me go backwards. I saw the reversal in the candlestick. Remember I said earlier, when it started from burgundy to it started turning green, that's the buying point. Again, this is the 15-minute chart. The totally difference on the 5-minute chart. So I bought in right here on this chart, and I let it roll. Cause I knew it's going to move up. There's no other way because the SMA, the green line, bounced the SMA, bounced the SMA. Sorry, VWAP, bounced the VWAP, bounced the VWAP, bounced the VWAP. It never broke the VWAP till right before the market opened. Then it broke the VWAP. But again, that first 5 minutes of the market opening, usually it has a big run or that first candle and then a dump if it's going to dump. Otherwise, it's going to roll. So I know if it starts fading or losing volume and my orders is piling up, like here my level 3 or even on my level 2. Like right now, the level 2 is showing we got some buyers. Let me go back down. Oh, why didn't click it? We got some buyers over here. Some big buyers over here in level 2. These are the buys. Rephrase that, the sellers. We got 104,000, we got 121,000, but then on your buys, your bid, nobody really buying nothing. So it's gonna jump because there's no buyers. More sellers than buyers. Remember that. More sellers than buyers, price drops. So here we go. So I bought in right here at this 5,000 shares at 44.94 cents. Then what I did was I watched the wave roll, right, over the VWAP and the SMA, and I watched it roll. Then I saw a point that I was gonna sell. So I saw it hit this point here. Let me find it. I can't even see it. I can't even look at it. Sorry about this, y'all. I'm trying to explain the best way I can, but I can't even see my sell point. That sucks. Anyway, I bought it at 44 cents and I sold it the very first candle when it opened the market. But you can't even see it on the 5-minute chart. It won't even show on the 5-minute chart, which is weird. But I sold in the first 5-minute candle. And then the profit was, of course, I sold 5,153. This is a small trade. Just because I don't trade normally stock less than $1. But you can see as well it's fading. Let me go to a smaller version. If you look here, now this is something you need to know as well. So usually when the stock dumps, if it's a red candlestick, it'll go past, keep going down, red candles past that previous red candlestick. Now on a reversal, you want the second or first green candle that passes the previous red. So I wouldn't care if it's 3 or 4 candles before, you will buy that candle, that green candle, when it crosses the previous red. As you can see here, no candle yet passes the previous red. So now is not the time to buy it. And if you look over here at your level 3, you will see way more sell orders than buy orders. If you look here at your RSI, you will see it's declining. If you look here at your MACD, you will see it's indecisive, meaning it's going from light green to dark green to light green to dark green, meaning dark green is going down, light green is going up, light red is going further down, burgundy is going upwards. Make sense? Hope so. So as you can see here, this stock at this point doesn't have a chance at this point to reverse. However, more buy orders are coming in as we look. And then level 2 is also stating that we have not many buy orders, as you can see, but we have more sale than we have buy. And I'm saying again, of course, more sales means the price is going to go down, more buys, pulling the price up. I know it's a long video. I probably was all over the place with what I said. However, it's the point I'm trying to make is clear. Let me go back up here for a minute, change my chart to something you guys may trade. Go to the same stock. BNGO. Same stock, different chart. Okay, here's the difference. So, same chart, different stock. As you can see as well, the same setup pretty much. The SMA, this is the 15 minute.